Hey everyone, Codex here. Today what we're gonna do is take a look at Fantom and its current momentum in order to understand where our price could actually be heading in the next couple of weeks. So if that's something you are interested in and you find these videos helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video and click on that bell icon so you get notified when I upload a new video. Also, make sure to join our Telegram channel where we constantly discuss the charts and the news, and let's get into this one. So, as of late and since the last drop that Fantom has experienced it in mid-January from 3.4 US dollars all the way down to 1.7, the price hasn't really been doing much. I mean, we have mainly been trending sideways in this area, and that was about it. Now, as I said, Fantom is currently stuck in this high volume node. If you don't know what that means, a high volume node simply stands for a node or a zone where a lot of volume is being traded. You find a lot of investors willing to buy the coin at that specific price, which builds a strong support level. In other words, it's a temporary fair value zone where we spend a substantial amount of time because investors that bought at higher prices think that the price is way too low to sell, and new investors simply think that the price is way too attractive to miss on the chance. And you can clearly see how we have spent a lot of time in this zone. We first came in here at the end of 2021 where we spent a couple of weeks, then once again back in here before falling down to the next high volume node. So you can clearly see by now that we have these high volume nodes where a lot of volume is circulating and also low volume nodes. And whenever the price falls down from a high volume node, the next support level is most likely the next high volume node. These zones where basically no volume is circulating just offer a free fallout zone. The price just falls down fast in there because it finds no support, it finds no interest from investors. And that's what happened in here back in December when the price fell. Nobody wanted to buy the coin at these prices, and we ended up going from here all the way down to this target. Going back to our support zone, you can clearly see that we have been in here for about 20 days in a row now. And for me, as long as we are still in here, the price will just keep going sideways between 1.95 and 2.4 bucks. There will be no rally or anything like it as long as we are below the 2.4 US dollar mark. If we ever fall down, which I don't expect to be honest, unless we get bad news with the inflation rates and rate hikes and all of that, and if we experience a shakeout, the next level to look out for will simply be this one coming in at about 1.4 to 1.3 dollars. Now, if we take a look at our KDG on a weekly time frame, we can see that the black line is moving sideways, and so are our orange and blue lines. So we still have got some sideways movement for now on the 3 days time frame. It's still a little bit bearish according to the indicators, of course. Now, moving to the Phoenix ascending indicator, which is another momentum indicator, we can see on the 4 days time frame, so on the macro scale, that things are also sideways. I mean, things can't be clearer than this. See how the red RSI and blue LSMA are? The last time we have had something similar, it was back in here, and what ended up happening was a long period of consolidation. And that's what I expect right now. If the blue LSMA and red RSI stay in here below the mid yellow line, then things will remain this way and the price action won't change much. We will keep moving sideways in best case scenario, or worst case scenario, we will trend down to lower levels. If you want an upside movement, we need these two lines, the red RSI and the blue LSMA, to basically trend up so they can offer a basis and a good support level for the price. Look in here, for example, how as soon as the blue LSMA and red RSI started racing towards the upside and went above the level of 50, the price just started rallying, and the same thing happened in here too actually. Blue LSMA and red RSI trended above the level of 50, and the calls for an upward pressure got triggered, and frankly we don't have that for now. Now, despite everything, you have to keep in mind that Fantom is still holding well. I mean, the price is down what, 38% from its all-time high. That's nothing. Look at DOT, for example. It's currently down 60%. ADA is also down 60%. eGold is down about 60%, I think. And even BTC and Ethereum, which are much safer investments, are down at the same rate. So Fantom isn't doing that bad in the scheme of things. So that was about it, guys, for today. Thanks for sticking by till the end. Don't forget to leave the video a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment if you have anything to say. Just say anything. It doesn't really matter. It just helps us with the YouTube algorithm and it motivates us. And have a nice day.